Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for the Class 701. So let's begin. The British Rail Class 701 is an electric multiple unit built by Bombardier at Derby Litchurch Lane Works for South Western Railway. They are part of Bombardier's Aventura family. Other trains in the Aventura family consist of Crossrail's Class 345s, SWR's Class 701s, London Overground's Class 710s, Greater Anglia's Class 720s, and West Midlands Trains Class 730s. C2C are also getting some Aventuras which will come into service in summer 2021. South Western Railway have named their 701s Arterios. The 701s will be used on the London suburban routes, replacing all the red livery Class 455s, 456s, 707s and the blue livery Class 458s. They were meant to come into service in March this year, 2021, but they have been delayed until May. In May 2021, they will come into service on the Reading, Windsor and South West London suburban routes. South Western Railway have ordered 90 Class 701s at a cost of £895 million. The 701/0 sets have 10 carriages and the 701/5 sets have 5 carriages. South Western Railway have ordered 60 10-car sets and 30 5-car sets. Their maximum speed is 100 miles an hour and they get their power from a 750 volt third rail through their third rail shoes. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom, and remember to stay alert.